Condensation is when water droplets form on a surface area due to humidity levels not being in control. The reason that they form on a window would be that that window is not as insulated as your wall, which of course has insulation inside of it. There are really three different areas in which condensation can form. It can form on the inside pane or the inside of the house. The reasons that we see that happening, generally speaking, are because the humidity levels on the inside of the house are just not in line. So, of course, what you need to check is your humidifier, making sure that your humidity levels are within a reasonable span, making sure that that isn't going to happen. Other things that we see that might cause condensation on the inside of the glass would be having live plants inside of the house or too close to the window. Which of course puts things off that allow condensation to be created on that particular surface, again because the humidity levels are out of line. Condensation can happen in between the panes of glass. If that happens and we're the ones that replace that product, what we recommend is that you simply give us a call, seeing as there's been a seal failure. And with most of the products that we sell being tilt-in lift-out sashes, it's a very easy fix, and it's generally also going to be covered underneath your warranty, dependent upon the window manufacturer that you had selected to go with. It can also happen on the outside of the window. Seeing that we have very high humidity levels here in Kansas City, this is something that we see happen on a relatively consistent basis, dependent upon the time of the year. One would think that when you go put in new windows, what's going to happen is it's going to eliminate all of your condensation. What happens really is the opposite. Now that we've made that window airtight and we're not having a significant transfer of energy and we're keeping the energy where we want it, if your humidity levels are not in check, what's going to happen is condensation. So making sure that your humidity levels are in the areas in which they should be, and those things are being monitored on a consistent basis, that should help reduce and eliminate any condensation that you're going to see on the windows.